Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a topic that can help you maintain focus and productivity in the workplace: how to mute and unmute Slack channels. Let's start with the first step. Open your Slack application on your device. This is where all the magic begins. It's important because you can't alter your Slack settings without first accessing the platform. Next up, navigate to the channel you wish to mute. Why is this necessary? Because each Slack channel operates independently, so you need to select a specific one to mute. Simply click on the channel's name on the left side of your screen. Now that we've done that, look for the channel details icon, usually symbolized by an eye or a small information button. Click on it. The reason we do this is to access the settings specific to this channel, where you'll find the option to mute. Once you're in the channel details, find the option to mute the channel. It may be represented by a bell icon. Click on it. This helps us because it stops notifications from this channel from interrupting us. Voila! You've muted a Slack channel, but what if you want to unmute it later? The process is just as simple. Return to the channel details of the muted channel. The mute option you clicked on earlier has now changed to an unmute option. Click on it. This is important because it allows you to resume receiving notifications from this channel when you're ready. Now, let me explain why this matters. Muting and unmuting channels allows you to control the noise level in your digital workspace, helping you focus when needed and engage when you're ready. And that's it. You now know how to mute and unmute Slack channels. Remember, it's all about balancing your attention and managing your time effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.